Hi, welcome to Am I Addicted? Pottery has a lot of different benefits, right? For children, it can also teach them how to be more patient, right? Because doing pottery is something that requires a lot of patience. For example, because you need to do things a bit slowly, otherwise the clay might either crack or get too dry. So I think it's a good way to also teach them how to be more patient and also be more mindful or practice mindfulness.
Okay.
Yeah. And then it can also help you release some stress or anxiety.
Okay. So, patience, mindfulness, and relieve stress. Okay.
Before I start, do you guys know what you want to make today? Like a cup or figurine or plate?
What do we want to do? Shall we do a cup?
Yeah, see the
A cup.
A cup. We'll do a
Okay.
cup.
Each of you can make one item.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
For figurine, just a disclaimer, right? We'll need to do a little hole at the bottom. Need to let some air out. But
Okay.
it'll be on the
So,
bottom.
Or can we do the cup and this one?
Yeah, also can.
Can?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can kind of put something inside the cup if you want.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll just show you how to do a cup.
So cup don't need a hole.
Sorry?
So a cup don't need a hole.
No need. It's only figurine. Yeah,
So
like
it's figurine.
Hmm.
Cups don't need a hole.
yeah. So to
Like
start off, your cup right has a handle, and then it's very hard to build it with the cup, right?
so a rabbit also can have a hole.
Sorry?
A rabbit can
You want
also
to do
have,
rabbit?
You want a rabbit can also
This is
have
the
a
rabbit.
hole.
The rabbit, because it's like figurine, right?
It's like figurine.
You also need to do a hole at the bottom.
You want to do rabbit? She wants
Yeah.
to do rabbit.
Okay. Okay. So to start off, let's say you want to do handles or something inside the cup, right? You can just take out a bit of your clay, 40% ish, and then you just kind of twist it off. Yeah.
Oh.
And then afterwards, this one you can put back under your cloth. Yeah. And then afterwards, you just kind of pat it back into a ball shape. To get this shape, this circle, you want to use your thumb, and you just press until around 1.5 knuckles in.
Okay.
Yeah. Just make sure not to press all the way through. And then afterwards, you want to pinch the sides with your finger. So something like this motion. So you pinch and then you rotate your hand. So you'll see the hole start to expand. So to get the handle right, let's say you finish your shape, you just take your excess clay that you took off just now. You just create the handle shape. So let's say I want to add my handle like this, right? So you can take this tool. It's either this one helps you score easier. Yeah. So you just scratch and you make it messy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try to make it messy.
And then afterwards, you can take this. It's wet clay, but we call it slip because it's more watery. So we use this little brush and we just dab it on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like this is enough.
You know why they do? Because it has to stick to each other.
So when you add on, it'll stick. But this is actually not very secure because if you flick a few times, it will separate. So what you need to do is, if your handle is thicker on the end like mine, you can smooth it down like this, and then also just smooth up to give it to make it cover twice. So you'll need to do this on all the sides of the handle. Okay, if you want, you can start. You can take the clay under your cloth. Yeah. If you need any help, you can just ask me. Yeah.
Okay. The world is so big.
Good.
Want to try?
Okay. And then what did Uncle say? So first we want to make a cup, right? So he said, take off. Go like this. Okay. This is for the handle. So keep it back and then.
Wait.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Right. You also press your finger. Very hard. Okay.
Okay.
And now, just make it bigger like this. Can you try? No, not like this. Like this. It's a cup, right? A cup should have depth. Are we going to use this cup to drink tea or?
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay.
Give
Is
me.
this good enough?
Yes, I think it's
Yeah.
good.
Wait, we'll have to make the cup needs a handle.
Yes, need a hand. So take off.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Come.
So, wait. Okay, go.
After that, we can paint a cup.
No, wait. We have to flatten it. Come on. Okay? Yeah. Do that? Yes. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, I haven't even touched it.
Yeah.
Okay,